Hi, welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix call recording not working on iPhone. Call recording is a pretty handy feature on supported iPhone models, allowing you to save important conversations for future reference. However, if call recording suddenly stops working, fails to start, or the recording option doesn't appear at all, it can be rather frustrating. But fret not, because I have got you covered with some quick solutions. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. After that you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the apps option. Then you have to scroll down to find the phone app and select it. After that you have to choose audio call recording option and disable its toggle. Then you have to restart your iPhone. And once your iPhone has successfully rebooted, you have to go back to the same phone setting and then turn on the toggle back on for audio call recording. Then you have to launch the phone app and start a call as usual. Then you have to hit the call recording button to start recording the call. And once you have recorded a call, hit the recording button again to finish it. It's worth pointing out that if the call recording button does not appear in the phone app, make sure to check the carrier compatibility as well as the region support. Know that your recorded call will appear in the Notes app inside the call recording section. Should the problem still persist, try updating the software, as there is a high chance that the problem could be due to a software bug. So head into the settings app on your iPhone. After that, select General. Then you have to choose Software Update and go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix the call recording feature not working problem on iPhone. Hopefully you have managed to get a better at the problem, and now this handy feature has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.